Here we're talking about the trigonometry final review, and this is question number 49. The question reads, find the angle between V and W. Round your answer to one decimal place if necessary. V equals -5i plus 7j. W equals -6i minus 4j. So as always, I went ahead and included the formulas that we're going to need for today. We have cosine of theta equals the dot product of vector v and vector w over the magnitude of vector v times the magnitude of vector w. I also included the formula for the dot product and for the magnitude one more time. So we have the dot product of vector v and vector w equals a1 times a2 plus b1 times b2. And then we have the magnitude of vector v is the square root of a squared plus b squared. And we know that that will be the same for the magnitude of vector w. So we're going to identify our a1 and a2 and our b1 and b2, and then we're going to go ahead and plug into the formula. So for the dot product, we get that -5 times -6 plus 7 times -4 equals 30 plus -28, which gives you 2. Then we need to find the magnitudes. The magnitude of vector v equals the square root of -5 squared plus 7 squared, which equals the square root of 74. And the magnitude of vector w equals the square root of -6 squared plus -4 squared. The magnitude of vector w equals the square root of 52. We're going to go ahead and plug that back into our original equation, which is cosine theta equals 2 over the square root of 74 times the square root of 52. Now when we look at the problem, it says we want to find the angle between v and w. And we know that when we're trying to find an angle, we need to use our inverse operations. So when we plug into our calculator, we get that 2 over the square root of 74 times the square root of 52 equals 0.032241294. And like I told you in videos prior, we don't want to be rounding any of these answers until the very end. So you're going to want to use your inverse cosine button on your calculator and plug the exact value that you found. That's going to give us the answer of 88.2 degrees. We are rounding to one decimal place. Thanks for watching.